A 23-gram bullet traveling at 230 meters per second penetrates a 2 kg block of wood and emerges cleanly at 170 meters per second. If the block is stationary on a frictionless surface when hit, how fast does it move after the bullet emerges? So you have this, and you have got a bullet which is moving in that direction. And then the bullet emerges there cleanly. Initially, the bullet has a velocity of 230 meters per second. After emerging, it is moving now at 170 meters per second. Initially, this one is at rest, so it has no velocity. But what will be the velocity of this after the bullet emerges? Okay. So using the momentum equation, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is going to be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. m1 is representing the initial velocity, the mass of the bullet. Well, it's the same whether before or after. It's 23 grams. Now convert 23 grams to kg. Just divide by 1000. That is going to give 0.023. And then multiply by u1, that is the initial velocity at which it was moving, that is 230. The block was at rest, so it has no momentum. And then m1, that is still 0.023, and then it emerged at 170, plus m2, that is the mass of the block, which is 2 kg. Now what velocity did it start moving at? 0.023 multiplied by 230, that is going to be 5.29, and that is going to be equal to 0.023 because 0.023 multiplied by 170, that is 3.91, and then plus 2v. So that means 2v is going to be 5.29 minus 3.91. So 2v is going to give us 5.29 minus 3.91. That would be 1.38 divided by 2. So v is going to give us 0.69 meters per second.